Hi, in this screencast I'm going to explain how to install Node.js on Ubuntu machine. So first of all, let's browse through Node.js.org. So the current LTS version release of Node.js is 4.4.0, which is recommended for most of the users. And this is the bleeding edge release, which is 5.8.0, which is also stable, so anyone can install either this or this one. But I would always prefer to go with the LTS release, because to use the node for production application, always people should prefer the LTS release, because you have the support for another 5 years or 10 years down the line. So first of all, let's download this. The moment you will click on this, uh, the download will get started for node. So let's, when this node LTS release is got downloaded, then you need to extract the node. So this is the node. So let's say this is the 2-3 times I have downloaded, so let me delete all this, and this one is there. So first of all, need to extract it. So either you can extract by double clicking on this application, or by through command prompt also. So let's say I just extract it using double clicked, and let me extract it on my desktop, or let's say download itself. So I extracted it. So this is the folder which got extracted. Now to install the node, there is a 2-3 options by the way on Ubuntu. So what options I'm following is, we need to install node on local directory. So you can go to local directory by cd user local, or you can go directly cd local. So this directory is already there. So moment you will go to this directory, and by default in Ubuntu you will have this directory already. So you have to create a directory called install. So after creating the directory install, you need to copy all the node files, I mean these files, into inside install directory within node folder. So let me show you. So this is how I have created a folder called node inside install, and I have copied all uh, these files and folder. After installing this, if you will type node on command prompt, it won't recognize, because you just installed it, but your system doesn't know whether you have installed the node or not. So for that purpose, what you have to do is, you have to modify the bash profile of the system. So you need to install vim for that. So you can install the vim, like sudo apt get install vim. I have already installed vim, so I don't need to install it. So this is already installed. So after installing vim, you have to simply say vi bash rc. Moment you will do vi bash rc, so these are the stuff you will already see in your system. So this is what I have added for the node: export local home $home /.local.install, and then I have mentioned export node path, which is nothing but this local path is equals to $local /node/bin, and then I again exported the path, node path, then path. Mean to say, the system has already another lot of path, so node path should load first before other path. So I after adding all those stuff, what you have to do is you have to press escape, then colon, then WQ. So I already did it. Then you have to do source bash rc to load the all changes what you did in bash rc. After doing all these exercise, now if you will press node, you will go to the node prompt, and if you would like to check the node version or npm version, you can check the node version also, like node version. So this is the latest version which I have in my machine, and npm version also you can check. This is the npm version 2.14.20, and npm is getting installed automatically for Ubuntu as well as Linux. So you don't have to install the npm separately for that. So this is how you can install the node and npm in Ubuntu machine, and the same process goes with the Linux Mac also, but fortunately Mac has the package manager. I mean, you just have to double click that and it will install. But if you would like to install the particular node version, so you have to define which node version you want to install through homebrew. So basically you prefer the homebrew if you are on Mac. Thank you so much for watching this screencast.